Three basketball stars from UCLA are in hot water tonight after they were arrested for shoplifting during a team trip to China.
When I heard about it 2 days ago, I had a great conversation with President Xi. He's been terrific. President Xi has been terrific on that subject.
To President Trump and the United States government, thank you for taking the time to intervene on our behalf.
I would also like to thank President Trump and the United States government.
And thank you to the United States government and President Trump for your efforts to bring us home.
LaVar Ball, the father of player LiAngelo Ball,
downplayed President Trump's role in freeing his son, replying, "Who?" when asked by ESPN about the president's involvement with releasing the players, adding, "What was he over there for? Don't tell me nothing. Everybody wants to make it seem like he helped me out."
And certainly the president was happy to intervene, and I think he's made that clear by taking that action upon himself to do that without being asked.
Why won't you say thank you to the president?
It doesn't make, well, if somebody does something for you, then you say thank you.
Somebody did something
if
for you.
that's your opinion that he's done for me, okay. I would say thank you if he would have put him on his plane and took him home. There's a lot of room on that plane.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.